But there is another thing which I'm super impressed. That is your business.
Yeah.
Are you really making lip glosses for business?
Yes, I'm hand making them one by one.
One by one, so this is a proper package?
Yes, it's a bundle. So
like
I have like separate ones, and this is the bundles. It has candies, it has a scrunchie, it has a lip oil and lip gloss, so it's the full package.
When did you start to sell this?
I started in March of this year, and it's been going pretty well.
What is the inspiration? Where did it come from?
As you can tell, I love makeup, and I just really want to try to make a brand, and I saw that lip gloss was a thing. So I was like, oh my God, I love this idea. So I started to just make all of these products.
So these are all handmade by you?
Yes.
Really? Was it hard?
It was a little tough because lip gloss is very sticky, so it gets everywhere, but I've managed to clean it all up.
Wow. Shop owner, how much it is?
I'm pretty sure it's 180,000.
Cool, so it's really reasonable price.
Yeah.
And a lot of people at your age can buy this for you?
Yes.
So how do you run your business? I'm very curious.
I'm very lucky for my parents to support me with all of the ingredients. So my ingredients are from America, and they're very, very clean and very organic. So they're very safe for kids to use.
Wow. That's amazing. So at the end of the show, I think I might splurge on maybe 15 packages.
Yeah, you can totally splurge.
Yes, thank you so much. So let's put it here. Okay, so I mean, there's still one more question I want to ask you about business because I really want to start my own business.
Yeah.
It's just like I don't really know how to start and when to start. Do you have any piece of advice for me?
I think if you want to do it, then just go for it, because there's nothing such as you're too young to start or too old to start, because I think everyone could be like some lip gloss owner business or something, but you can start any age. And I think whatever you want to sell, you can sell.
So in the studio room, I believe you are the youngest.
Yeah.
But a lot of us have a lot of questions for you. Are you willing to answer some questions posed by the audience?
Of course.
Okay, cool. Let's go, audience.
Hi, Nhi. Nice to meet you today. I know that you are not very fond of reading books, right?
Yes.
But have you ever thought of being an article writer in the future to express and spread your passions to more and more people?
I've thought of it like once or twice because I like writing an essay, and I really enjoy writing, but 300 pages is a lot of words, and I cannot think that many words. And so yeah, I don't think I will be an author in the future.
I see. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for your question. But I think you can. I really think you can when you grow up and you have a lot to share with the world.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, we'll see.
Yeah.
Do you have any other question for our little Vân Nhi?
Hi, Nhi.
Hi.
I can see that you are so young, but you are so talented, and I'm so admire you.
Thank you.
You know, I see you always happy and energetic and positive. I really want to ask you, how can you always be positive and happy like that?
I'm not always positive and happy because no one is. No one is, let me tell you about that. No one is. And also because I'm young and I don't have much to think about and I don't have much to worry about. So I'm always happy, energetic, but I think just relax is the #1 thing to being happy, and also be with people that you love, because they love you and you love them, so they bring you a lot of joy. So yeah, I think that being with your loved ones are also a very good way to stay happy.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I can really relate to your question because I ask that question to a lot of people whenever I feel depressed. So I might tell that you are at the moment having some kind of like worries or concerns in your life. So I totally agree with you as well. No one is forever and always happy. Everyone has a dark side inside of them, but the best way I think is just to face it and then to be with a loved one and relax.
Yes.
So thank you and hope you have a great day.